Hi guys, let's talk about not applicable error today. So not applicable error shows hash n/a indicate that a formulate can find what it being asked to look for. The key point here is to look for the most common cause of the non-applicable error is with xlookup, vlookup, hlookup, lookup, or match functions if a formulas can't find a reference value. Let's take a look of some example. In this range A2 to B7, I have had the fruit and price. Let's say if I want to look up banana with vlookup function. So for vlookup functions is the syntax vlookup followed by lookup value, which is D2, and table array is A3 to B7, and columns is number 2 because I want to look up for the price, and I want exact match, so I put false. So for the result is 1.2, it matched the range, which is the price of banana. And I will make the formula text here for reference. If I want to use the same formula for pairs, I start typing the vlookup functions. And you can see non-applicable errors shows. This is because vlookup functions can't find pairs in this range. Now we know what causes not applicable errors, then how we can correct that. First, make sure the lookup value exists in the source data. Let's say we add pairs information in the range. So pairs, and we make it 1.32. And you can see the result shows. Second, make sure there is no space. In the example, I already have pairs in my range, but my lookup function is not applicable. For these issues, make sure the lookup value have no space. Let's say if I double click this lookup value here, I can find there's a space after the pair. That will make vlookup function treat it as different value. So two solutions. One, just simply remove the space, and you can see the result shows. And the second, we can use trim functions, which is TRIN, trim functions. Trim function will remove the space of the text. You can see if I use trim functions, I can get the pairs without space. So I can simply use vlookup again, and lookup value is trim functions and D26. Then use the same range. Number 2 and false. Then you can find the information of pair. Sometimes not applicable error is due to incorrect value type. In this example, the price is my lookup value, and I want to know what's the fruits of the price. Let's say I want to look up the price 1.2, use the vlookup functions, and we can get the price 1.2 is banana. Let's say if I want to look up for price is 3, and you also use the same lookup function, but non-applicable errors happens. You can see the corner of these cells, there's an error remind. Say this cell is a text instead of value. In this case, you can choose this convert to numbers to make the text convert to numbers. And when you did that, you can see the result comes correctly and non-applicable functions disappear. So that's the today's topic about non-applicable errors. Hope you guys enjoyed today's topic. Let's see you next time. Bye.